Now let's talk about some specific ways you can style text with CSS. CSS allows you to easily change the font, color, size, alignment, transform the text, and add text decoration to any text you tell it to. Let's take a look at this paragraph styling together. The first property we have set is font family. This is telling the code to make everything in between paragraph tags to have the font Verdana. You can pick whichever font you would like to, however. The next property set is color. In this example, the code is being told to make everything in between the paragraph tags to be blue. There are two ways to set a color: a basic word, such as blue, purple, red, and yellow, or you can use a hex value to get a more precise color. There are several hex code generators online for you to find the exact color that you would like. The next property set is the font size. Here, we have made everything between the paragraph tags a size 18 font. You can choose any whole number followed by px, and your text will be that many pixels tall. Now, we have text alignment. This code makes everything between the paragraph tags be center aligned. There are 4 value options for text align property: left, right, center, and justify. The justify value makes all the lines in the paragraph the exact same width across the page. The text transform property allows you to control the capitalization of your paragraphs and change it quickly and easily. For example, this code will make each letter of every word in every paragraph on our web page be uppercase. However, if you decide to make the paragraph all lowercase, you can just change the value to lowercase. The other value option is capitalize, which will make the first letter of each word be uppercase. If you do not set any text transformation, the letters will appear as you have typed them in HTML. The final property we are going to talk about is text decoration. There are 4 value options for text decoration: overline, underline, line through, and none. Overline will put a line above your text. Underline will put a line under your text. And line through will strike a line right through your text. If you are wondering why you would ever set the text decoration as none, that is a fantastic question. Sometimes links default to being underlined, which may not be how you want them to look. In cases like this, set their text decoration to none, like this. Now, let's talk about some other ways to style links. There are 4 states that a link can be in. The first is a normal, unvisited link, and is represented in CSS as a:*link, your curly brackets, your property and your value, and then your last curly bracket. The next state a link can be in is a visited link, or one that the user has clicked on already. It looks like this in CSS: a:*visited, then your curly brackets, your property, and your value. Like the third state a link can be in is hover. This is when you move your mouse across a link. It looks like this in CSS: a:*hover, your curly brackets, and your property and value once again. The final state a link can be in is an active link. An active link is a link that the moment you click on the link and is defined like this in CSS: a:*active, your curly brackets, property and value. A common way to style links is like this. So you have your link, you have your visited link, you have your hover link, and your active link. Now, as you can see, with our link, our normal link, and our visited link, we have set the text decoration to none, so that way the link will not be underlined. But we've sent the hover and the active to underline, so when we hover over the link, or if we click on it, then it will have an underline. But you can style the links any way you want. You have the option to have all the different states be different colors, fonts, or whatever else you choose. One thing to keep in mind when setting these properties is that order matters in this case. A hover must come after a link, and a visited, and also a active must come after a hover. In the next video, we're going to be talking about table formatting.